Okay, so number two, again, I'm not going to solve this guy for you because this one is a challenge. Um, However, maybe I can give you some tips of what you should be looking for. So right away I noticed this guy cuts one in half. So these guys together will make their own square. I notice that this one actually is a little bit tricky because it looks like it's an isosceles triangle, but this side is actually a little bit shorter than this side here. So I need to be careful with this triangle. It might be better for me to think of it as two triangles. So if I find the area of this rectangle and cut it in half, and find the area of this rectangle, but then cut it in half. That might help you if you've been struggling thinking that maybe this one is isosceles when actually it's not. Now, let's look at this big honking guy up here. Well, let's see, is he isosceles? Well, I can tell if this is right smack dab in the middle. 1, 2.5. Ooh, half, 1, half. This one may have been giving you some problems. 1, 2.5, because this one has a base of 2, but this guy over here has a base of 2.5. So we can't just swing that guy over. So this top triangle, you may want to think of it by itself. And then cut it in half. And this one, finding the area of this triangle and then cutting it in half. All right, now let's keep going because man, we've got a lot of shapes to deal with here. I wish these two were the same, but they just aren't. So you should be looking for this rectangle here, but you're going to have to cut it in half. And this one down here would be right here. Oh, I like that one because it's 3 by 1, but you're going to have to cut it in half to find it. We have a parallelogram here, which you'll want to find this triangle here, but you will need to find the whole rectangle and cut it in half. And then, oh man, we've got another triangle here, which looks like it's a half and a half, so its base is actually 1 by 2.5. So this one you'll want to think about that rectangle there, which then leaves you with this rectangle here in the middle. Which is a rectangle, but of course it's not whole numbers, 1, 2, 3.5 by 1, 2.5. So in the end, if I was to use this strategy, I would end up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different calculations that I would need to add together. You might have another strategy of doing it, but maybe this helped.